be a big star, get on stage and play the guitar, make a little money, buy a fancy car, big old house and an alligator, just to match with them alligator shoes. He's a rich man, so he's no longer singing the blues. He's singing songs about material things and platinum rings and watches that go bling, but diamonds don't bling in the dark. He a star now, but he ain't singing it from the heart. Sooner or later he's just gonna fall apart, cause his fans can't relate to his newfound art. He ain't doing what he did from the start, and that's putting in some feeling and thought. He decided to live his life shallow, cash in his love for material, and it's gone. Gone, going, gone, everything gone, give a damn. Gone be the birds when they don't wanna sing. Gone people, I'm awkward with them things. Gone. You see yourself in the mirror and you feel safe cause it looks familiar, but yeah, afraid to open up your soul cause you don't really know who is the person that's deep within, cause you're content with just being the name brand man. Fail to see that it's trivial, insignificant, you're addicted to material. I've seen your kind before, you're the type that thinks sold is sold in the store, packaged up with incense sticks, with the vegetarian meals to you that's righteous. Your fiction like books, you need to go out to life and look, cause what happens when they take your material and you already sold your soul, and it's gone, going, gone, everything gone, give a damn. Gone be the birds when they don't wanna sing. Gone people, I'm awkward with them things. Gone. You say that time is money and money is time, so you got your mind on your money and your money on your mind. What about that crime that you did to get paid? And what about that bitch you can't take it to your grave? What about those shoes you're into? They'll be no good. All the bridges you burned along the way. All the money that you got, gon' be gone. Yeah, that gear that you rock, gon' be gone. The house up on the hill, gon' be gone. The gold fronts on your grill, gon' be gone. The ice on your wrist, gon' be gone. That nice little miss, gon' be gone. That whip that you roll, gon' be gone. And what's worse is your soul already gone. Yeah, it's gone.